3D AI Studio Review. In this video, we are going to be talking about 3D AI Studio, and I'm going to be reviewing it thoroughly and giving you a brief tutorial on how you're going to be using it. Now, the landscape of 3D modeling has been revolutionized by the emergence of artificial intelligence. And at the forefront of this transformation stands 3D AI Studio. Now, this platform aims to make professional grade 3D modeling accessible to everyone from seasoned designers to creative enthusiasts. By leveraging cutting edge AI technology, 3D AI has successfully democratized the complex world of 3D modeling, offering a solution that combines speed, quality, and ease of use in one comprehensive package. All right. So the key feature is text to 3D and image to 3D generation. Now, it is an incredible software and it allows you to create anything from minimalistic to totally out of this world. Now, previously people used softwares like Maya, 3ds Max, or Blender. But now, when this software has taken train, it will change the world because, first of all, it has a free plan, which is totally out of this world. Now, how does this AI work? What we're going to do is we're going to click on Try 3D AI Studio. Now, once you do that, here what you're going to do is you're going to click on Get Started. It's magic, and we're going to click on Continue with Google. Now, once you do that, go ahead and sign in with any of your Gmail accounts and simply click on Continue. So once you have done that, what you're simply going to do is you're going to skim through everything, and here it's going to bring you to Generate 3D Model. This is going to be your dashboard. So it depends on you if you want to make it from text to 3D or you want to make it from image to 3D. So for text to 3D, we're going to simply go ahead and write a prompt. Let's go ahead and write model of a UFO. Okay, so let's go ahead and write that and let's click on generate 3D model. Now, when it comes to these custom 3D assets, you are going to need to pay a basic plan for them. Same goes for image to 3D, but what you can do is you can also generate normal 3D models right over here, depending on whatever you want to go with. So let's say I'm going to browse a file that I want it to create. So I wanted to go ahead and create a 3D model of this image that I have uploaded. Now, once you do that, you're simply going to click on Generate 3D Model again. If you have the premium feature, you're going to be able to do this. Apart from that, you can only go ahead and upload and add your very own models in the software. So the key features for this generation software are, first of all, the AI-powered generation engine. Then you can move on to high resolution texturing with amazing processing time, where speed is one of 3D AI's most impressive features. It has multiple input options with advanced customization tools, as well as a user friendly interface, as you can clearly see, with real time previews right in front of you. So go ahead and use this software for your very own uses. So the conclusion is that 3D AI represents a significant leap forward in the democratization of 3D content creation. Its ability to generate high quality 3D models from simple inputs combined with its user friendly interface and reasonable pricing makes it an invaluable tool for professionals and enthusiasts like yourself. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.